What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here on Stock Hours. Today, I'll be going over a trade I took last Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. I took NVIDIA calls 470 to the upside. I'm looking for momentum to take out the high here on the pre-market. Room to 465. Targets are really 463 and 464, and then 465 possibly. That's what was my original plan, just to see, depending on how we got there, right? So I don't always hold to my last target. It always depends. This is one of the times where I don't even hold to my second target. I'm gonna go ahead and well, before I press play here, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I got here. So this is ES, this S&P 500 futures, and this is NVIDIA chart, 1 minute. My active trader. This is my level one. A lot of people use level two. I like level two. Just level 2 sucks on TOS. So I have to use the next best thing for me. Either way, the main thing that I look at is the bid and the ask, how it's pushing and whatnot. I don't buy and I don't sell here. This pretty much tells me it's just a lot bigger. Instead of squinting my eyes and looking like at this, that's over here. This is on the active trader bid and ask, and you just can't see it on the chart. It's the same thing, and you can see that there. It's just too small. Got to make my job easier, so I have the bigger numbers here. And well, yeah, I'm gonna let it play.
The bid keeps holding 460 pretty high.
I want you to notice a couple things. One, it is lagging at the moment. ES. I have 10 ready to go whenever I do decide to get in. And it's super volatile on both ends. Look at these wicks. They're super crazy on both top side and bottom side. How Nikita just mentioned here, 460 is holding, which is this. Not only is it just 460, look, it's the pre-market low here. It's holding nice. I like it. All these wicks got wicked up above 460. So I like that. If it wasn't this aggressive also on the upside and only on the downside when it's getting bought up, I've actually probably might have took a starter position here at 460. Or at least once we got above opening price here. Now, I don't like how it's lagging, so that's one of the reasons why I didn't do it. And it's also volatile. It's also very aggressive on the sell side here on the top side. These wicks on the top side are super aggressive.
Heavily on NVIDIA.
Look how much is lagging though.
NQ,
Look at NQ.
yeah, I was gonna say NQ's making highs and NVIDIA's still not doing anything.
See, me and Frankie are looking at the same thing. It's lagging at the moment. Volume can always kick in any given time though. So at the moment it is lagging. I want you to notice two things here. Once we get here, I don't take the high. That's one of the things early on in my career. It sounds funny when I say it, but early on, I would have took this high. I would have just said boom. You know what I mean? Hopefully it works out. Watch what I do here.
Benji, good luck with those D-Dog contracts.
Are they useless?
372 is the highest.
Now, volume is definitely picking up here. You can see this is starting to flash. Finally, ES is coming up. You're pretty much caught up now. You're caught up with ES. It's about the same. I'm not taking it yet. Why? Because all you did was catch up to ES. I don't think it's ready. I don't take this.
I see.
The video's here. Trying to inverse H.
See, that was somebody else that said order filled. That wasn't me. That's IB. Anyways, I want you to see 461 hold here. Watch 461 hold here, and then watch what ES is going to start doing.
Someone's unmuted.
I'm pretty sure that was Nikita.
I think so too.
Alright, so now look at this. 461's holding. You got a nice red candle here coming in on ES. Now we got to see how much it affects NVIDIA.
That was Nikita.
Look at 461 here.
Now NVIDIA looks good with NQ wicking like that.
Now I'm in. Now I'm in. For now, my stop loss is probably going to be 460.50 just because of how aggressive it is. And this is pretty much super close to opening price. I like this. Now we're ahead of ES. Need the bid to get above 462 now as well. Got a couple red candles here in a row. You can clearly see volume picked up on that candle big time. A lot of buying.
Trend is on the 5 minutes, so I'm not playing that new high.
Look at this. Look where I'm watching. This whole area here. 461-ish, more or less. It's holding. I like how buyers keep stepping in. Heavy. ES is kind of dropping, but it could be an inverse H here.
I mean, Microsoft is ripping. Wow.
Look at that. Red to
Bro,
green.
Microsoft actually
Come
really
on.
looks good.
Yeah, but it's just freaking.
New high here.
Or that flat top.
New high here. Now, what do we want to see next? We want to see ES start making highs. Now we know for sure this is stronger than ES, but we want this to help us, give us that extra little push. Like, okay, like just come on, you know what I mean? Just like an extra push. Now we need to see the ask get to 463. That's my first target, and then the bid to get over 463 and hold and start pushing the ask out of the way.
At least.
There goes NVIDIA.
I'm up nicely here.
I'm gonna wait a little bit on the video, guys. This isn't the day to mess around.
See, now it's starting to wick here, but I still like this. It never got below 462
What
there.
time does J-Powell speak?
Oh
Boom.
my god.
Look at this. The bid is still not over 463 here, so I'm still waiting. Boom. First target 463, like I mentioned. Once the bid got over, it made it easier to get a 25 cent pop there. ES is making a high here. Now, what the bid is not holding at the moment, 463. It got back down below. I'm still waiting. I'm up nicely. I cut half of my position. I'm holding the rest. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna hold this to 464 or not.
I just got out of the video there.
Same here.
Can I get
Yeah,
a
me
load
too.
of low? New high.
Can I get a load?
I
man.
I got a couple left. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, I like this so far. I'm still in this. ES is I'm noticing that ES is starting to get a red candle here. I want to see how much is affected. My stop has been raised to 463. And that's going to be my stop for these runners. I'm not going to let these runners. Every time you scale out, you're scaling out for two reasons, right? Or a couple reasons. One is you're securing profits, so I'm good. This trade cannot go red whatsoever, right? Second, you're trying to maximize on the whole trade itself. So, worst case scenario, I'll let these I'll let these go maybe 5% green or whatever the case may be at the most. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want this to be smooth sailing. It was super volatile in the morning, so I'm either waiting to 464. If 463 doesn't hold, I'm out. I'm out either way. Watch how this plays out. Watch the bid. I want you to watch the bid. The bid and the ask.
Yes, sir.
There he is.
Starting to wick here from the top side.
465.
Look at the bid. Slightly come back just slightly. Bid got below 463. The ask is still above, but I'll take 465 as a different trade. Look at this big drop here after that. You know what I mean? It's not holding. I'm done. You know what? It's a Wednesday, first trade of the day, super smooth. I think I made on that. Let me see. I believe I made about 435 on that. Over about 16-15%, which is not bad for a Wednesday. It's pretty good. I'll take it. It was actually a smooth trade. I didn't get greedy. Why? Because I didn't notice the volatility in the morning, in the early on. So once you notice the volatility, it's like, hey, you know what? How much can I take from this? You know what I mean? Why get greedy if I know it's moving kind of crazy, right? ES was struggling to make new highs. I'll just and it had a 5 minute trend. I didn't get to show you on this, but we identified the 5 minute trend on the algo that Nor has early on. So I knew it had that trend as well in the 5 minutes. So I was like, you know what? I'll take what I can on this. I got at least to my first target, which was 463. Still super nice move from 461 to 463. That was a nice trade. Either way, that's all I have for y'all today. Yeah, got any questions, just comment down below. And hope y'all enjoy. Thank you.